cash and confetti, $100,000. Hello folks.
All right.
I'm Jim.
Welcome to J3's Historic Moments on his YouTube channel, J3 Video Games. You might see confetti in this. Thank you.
Hey, the grocery game! Sorry, Zach.
But I'm
gonna
playing
set
this
the
game.
item.
I got
Shop right. Lightning cleaner. Tablets. Sugar-free syrup. Poppycock popcorn snack.
Before
Now,
I play grocery again,
what's
let
your
me get
item?
Dante back. Hold on, let me get Dante back in.
But pick an item.
I know what I'm gonna go with.
What is it?
The grease lightning cleaner.
How much?
I'm gonna go 99.
I heard him say one.
Fool!
I heard J3 say one.
Nope. Sorry. You broke the game, J3.
Oh.
The judges.
Congratulations.
The judges say it was
Game
the triple
over.
blade.
37.52. All right, here's your upper cash register.
So 1 point for me.